Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine and enjoying your online classes. Now, you all must be busy learning your lessons, doing your homework, assignments, etc. At the same time, take care of your health, eat well, eat healthy food, wash your hands often, stay indoors, stay safe, and be positive. In your last class, we learnt about the solar system and all the planets that form the solar family. The sun is the center of the solar system and the 8 planets are revolving around it in an elliptical order. Let's name the planets. You remember the sentence I told you to name the planets? Yes. It's my very efficient mother just saved us now. Now let's name the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we come to the lesson, our Earth. The learning objectives for today are: Earth is a beautiful planet. The composition of the Earth, which is made up by land and water. Then we will learn about the movements of the Earth, that is rotation and revolution. These are the 2 movements which the Earth follows. Children, our Earth is a very beautiful planet. We are all living on this beautiful planet because the Earth revolves round the sun in an elliptical order. Life is possible on the Earth because of the presence of land, air and water. All living beings require oxygen, which is available only on the Earth. All living things need oxygen to breathe. This is only available on the Earth. The Earth is divided into water and land. 71% of the area of the Earth is covered with water and 29% of the total area of the Earth is covered by land. We all live on the land. The water bodies are ponds, rivers, waterfalls, lakes, seas and oceans. We live on the land and the land occupies forests, mountains, deserts, valleys, gardens. Animals live on the earth. Water animals also are there which live in the water. Animals like, yes, you can name a few. Yes, the turtle. You see fishes in water and also the frog. All these live in water and on land also, except fishes. Fishes live only in the water. We see the beautiful birds. Human beings, yes, we all live on this beautiful planet, the earth. There are two movements of the earth. They are rotation, which causes day and night, and revolution, which causes the seasons, the different seasons that we see. First, let us learn about rotation. What is called the rotation of the earth? Children, you see the earth spins around its axis. Have you seen a top spinning? I'm sure you would have seen a top spinning. The spinning causes rotation. The earth rotates on its axis. The axis is an imaginary line that passes through the North Pole and South Pole. The earth spins from west to east. You can see the spinning of the earth, how it is spinning on its axis. This is the way it rotates. And the example I told you of the top. You can see the top, how it rotates. The same way the earth is rotating on its axis. The rising and setting of the sun gives us the sense of the direction. The sun, you see, it rises in the east and it sets in the west. This shows you the direction. Early morning when you get up, you see the sun rising in the east, and in the evening the sun sets in the west. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Every day we have 24 hours. In the morning we get up, we go to school, and in the evening you are back home, and in the night you sleep. This is caused because of the rotation of the earth. The side of the earth which faces the sun has day, and the opposite side, the other side, you can see it's dark. That shows you night. So as the earth is spinning on its axis, it causes day and night. I told you earlier, children, the side of the earth which faces the sun has day, and the opposite side has night. It's clearly shown in this picture, where you can see the side of the earth which is facing the sun has day, and the opposite side has night. How long does it take for the earth to rotate? It actually takes the earth slightly over 23 hours and 56 minutes to rotate once around its axis. In this time, all the stars appear to revolve once around the earth and return to their starting positions. Now we will learn what is the revolution of the earth. At the same time that the earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves round the sun. This movement is called revolution. It takes 365 and a quarter days for the earth to complete one revolution. The earth goes round the sun. It takes 365 and a quarter days to complete one revolution. If you take the 1/4 days in every 4 years, it makes 1 day. 1 year you have 365 and a quarter days. The 4 quarters, if you take 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, the 4 quarters is equal to 1 day. This 1 day, when added to the month of February, every 4 years, February has 29 days. The year which February has 29 days is called a leap year. In a leap year, students, you will have 366 days, and in the normal years, you will have 365 and 1/4 days. What are the causes of revolution? Revolution causes the seasons. In the whole year, we have 4 seasons. We have summer, we have spring, we have autumn and winter. So all these 4 seasons are caused because of the revolution of the earth. You can see how the earth is moving in its orbit and causing the seasons, the different seasons which I have told you. Can we repeat the seasons? We have 4 seasons. They are summer, rainy, spring and winter. The summer season. The summer season is the hottest season among the 4 seasons. During the summer season, we have longer days. It's very hot during the summer season. We wear cotton clothes and we drink a lot of juices. We eat a lot of fruits to keep us cool. Then we have the spring season. During this season, it is very pleasant. It comes between winter and summer. We can see new leaves on the trees and the flowers are in full bloom. All the flowers bloom during this season. Autumn. Autumn is the season between summer and winter. The air begins to cool. The trees shed their leaves. This season does not occur in India because of its geographical location. The winter season. You feel very cold in winter. It's the coolest season. Our winters bring us cool weather. During this season, the days are short and the nights are long. We have snowfall in some countries and in the hilly regions. Children, you remember Simla? You remember the Himalayas? Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. The rainy season. Yes, this season which all you children enjoy the most. When it rains, you want to go out and play in the rain. So children, you have learnt about the rotation and revolution today. The earth rotates on its axis. The smaller circle, if you see, it shows you the rotation which causes day and night. And the bigger circle, that is the earth, goes on its orbit in an elliptical path and it completes the revolution in 365 1/4 days. So again I tell you, rotation causes day and night and revolution causes the seasons. Hope you have understood today's chapter. I will see you in the next class. Thank you. However it is.